In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your to-do list with Trello Butler. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable rule that keeps your board organized without you lifting a finger. Start by heading to your Trello boards page. This is the hub where all your boards live, so make sure you're signed in and you know which board you want to automate. If you use a specific board for capturing tasks, that's the perfect place to set this up. Next, click on the board you want to automate. Open it up so you can see your lists and cards. Think about your workflow for a moment. Which list should trigger automation and what should happen next? Keeping that in mind now will make the setup smoother. At the top of the board, click Automation. This opens Trello's Butler tools, the built-in automation engine that listens for events and performs actions for you. If you don't see automation, you may need the right permissions or to switch to a board where Butler is available. Inside automation, click Rules. Rules are event-based automations. When something happens, Butler does something else. They're perfect for a to-do list because they respond to everyday actions like adding a card or moving it between lists. Click Create Automation to open the rule builder. You'll see a clear layout where you add a trigger and one or more actions. Think of it as when X happens, do Y. Now click Add Trigger. This is where you define what Butler should watch for. For a to-do flow, a common trigger is when a card is added to a specific list. Choose the list name that makes sense for your process. For example, the list where new tasks land. Click the plus sign to confirm and add that trigger to your rule. You should now see it listed at the top of the rule builder. Next, select Action. This tells Butler what to do when the trigger occurs. A straightforward choice is to move the card to another list, apply a label, or assign a due date, whatever keeps your tasks in motion. Choose the list name or target that fits your goal so the action is precise. Click the plus sign again to add that action to the rule. You can keep it simple with one action to start. Clean, focused rules are easier to maintain. Finally, click Save. Your rule is now active. From this point forward, whenever the trigger fires, Butler will run the action automatically, keeping your to-do list organized consistently in the background. If you ever need to refine it, come back to Automation, open Rules, and edit or disable it with a single click.